Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing. So it's pretty simple and easy, let's get started. First we need to open Instagram, we tap on our home feed and swipe left. Here we open the chats, one of the chats, and now we press the info button. Here usually you have to see themes option to change the theme of the chat. If you don't see it, just close the app, close it all, clear it all, and open your App Store. It doesn't matter if you're Android or iOS user, tap on Instagram, type Instagram, and here if you see upgrade instead of open, press it. I will just press open. Now, swipe left and open one of the chats. Tap on the info button. Here, if you still don't see this option, close the app and restart your device. If you don't see this option even after the restart, just open the home feed. Now we tap on our profile picture and now tap the three lines at the top right. Here we select settings and now help. From here we do tap on report a problem and report a problem. Now tap on take a screenshot and back a little bit. Open your chats, open details, and here just tap the photo. Preparing bug report. Now just briefly explain that you don't see this option and submit. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.